Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting essentials ready. Power on the Xbox Series S and sign in so the console can accept new devices. Make sure your controller has charged batteries or is plugged in. A low battery can drop connections. Turn your Bluetooth headset or speaker into pairing mode now so it's discoverable. Once done, move close to the console to avoid interference. Bluetooth range and obstacles matter. These first steps minimize interruptions and let you move straight into the pairing flow. You'll now walk the Xbox menus to add the device. Press the Xbox button, go to Profile and System, then Settings, and choose Devices and Connections. For controllers, open Accessories and press the controller's sync button. For audio, select Available Bluetooth or wireless audio if your adapter supports it. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your device name and confirm pairing. Keep audio device in pairing mode during this time. If prompted, accept connection on the headset. This step binds the hardware so audio and controls route correctly. Finish by verifying the connection and tweaking audio. Go to Settings, then General, and open Volume and Audio Output to test sound, mic level, and chat/game balance. Adjust to taste. Make sure latency or stereo/mono settings match your device. If audio drops or pairing fails, restart the console and headset, then repair. This clears transient Bluetooth errors. If problems persist, check for firmware updates on the accessory or controller. A restart or repair resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.